How to get premium on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I'll show you how you can get Spotify premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get premium on Spotify, open the Spotify app. Go to the premium section from the bottom right of the screen. If you are on iPhone, you will not find the option called Get Premium over here. So you might need to log in from your browser in order to subscribe to Spotify Premium on iPhone. Here, you just want to tap on the Get Premium button, and then you'll be able to see all of the features that comes with Spotify Premium. And all you have to do is simply enter your payment method, such as a PayPal or your credit or debit card. But I'm assuming that most of you are definitely going to go with the debit or the credit card option. Once you select your payment details, enter your card number, your expiration date, as well as a CVC or your security code, and then just tap on the Buy Now button from the bottom of the screen in order to buy Spotify Premium. And that's all it takes to get Spotify Premium. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.